Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for coming to this meeting. Nice to meet you all. Today, we have a meeting with Financial Manager, Head of Marketing, and the new Financial Accountant. Before we start this meeting, let's pray together to God. Start praying. Pray has finished. I will explain in advance the agenda for today's meeting. Today's meeting agenda is opening, presentation, question and answer session, conclusion, and closing. All right, everyone. Putri Nadia Stepani, as the new financial accountant, will present the result of this year's report with financial manager. Before that, please introduce yourself, Putri.
All right, thank you, Mrs. Chairman, who has invited me to introduce myself and make a presentation today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Nice to meet all of you in this financial meeting. And it is an honor for me to introduce myself. My name is Fitrie Stepani. I am a new financial accountant in this company. As a financial accountant, I will analyze the economic stability of this company and provide financial information to other departments. I hope I can contribute to the success of this company in the future. Thank you.
Okay, thanks, Putri. Next, please give your presentation.
Okay, ma'am. All right, in this presentation, I will discuss three important points. Firstly, I will discuss the company's financial summary. Secondly, I will discuss the comparison of liquidity ratio, comparison of solvency ratio, and thirdly, about comparison of the income statement that will explained by our financial manager, that is Ms. Tiara. Firstly, I will discuss the financial summary of Stars Company from 2018 until 2019. As you can see on this slide, I can say that from the data contained in Table 1, it is known the general value of net sales, gross profit, net profit, total asset, total liabilities, and total company equity in 2019 increased compared to 2018. Move to the slide. Secondly, I will discuss about the liquidity ratio of Stars Company. Liquidity in 2019 was 113.12% compared to 2018, which was 123.35%, meaning that it had decreased by 10.24%. This was due to the fact that as long as current assets amounted to 39.45, it is because the increase between assets and liabilities it is not the same. The increase in current asset was 139.45%. Meanwhile, the increase in liability was 152.07%. Okay, move to the next slide.
On this.
Okay, all right. Solvency in 2019 was 198.48%. compared to 2018, or an increase of 0.57%, as a result of an increase in total debt of 25.12%. Next is collectability of debt. Account receivable turnover in 2019 was 64 times, an increase of 10 times compared to accounts receivable turnover in 2018, or 54 times.
In my opinion, this is a good thing for our cash flow because funding from receivable bidder, the turnover is to increase by 10 times, and the billing period is faster than the previous year, which is 1 day less.
Okay, you are absolutely right. Okay, for the next presentation, we'll explain by our financial manager, that is Ms. Tiara, to explain the comparison of the profit and loss ratio in 2018 and 2019. Please, Ms. Tiara.
Okay, thank you, Putri. I will continue to explain the profit and loss ratio. As you can see, the figures here are presented in millions of rupiah. At operating income, the realized business income in 2019 is 6,538,893,000,000 compared to 5,623,839,000,000 in 2018, an increase of 16.27% or 915 billion, 54 million. The biggest increase in revenue in 2019 occurred in the rubber cell commodity, which was 28.67%, higher than the previous year. So that net sales also increased.
Excuse me? May I have a word?
Sorry, Dinda. Please wait until the presentation is over.
Okay, Chairman, thank you.
Okay, I will continue. At comprehensive net income in 2019 compared to 2018 has increased by 246 billion 730 million, or by 24.30%. This is because the sales revenue has increased by 915 billion 54 million, or 16.27%.
Okay, thank you for your explain, Miss Tiara. Okay, Mrs. Chairman, that's a report that I can submit. If anyone has a question, please ask. Thank you.
Okay, thank you Putri and Tiara for the presentation. Please anybody to comment or ask about the result of this year's report.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. I want to make a few comments. From the result of the income statement display, it is known that comprehensive net income has increased by 246.37 billion. As Putri previously said, this increase was due to the sale revenue which increased by 950.5 billion. But not only that, everyone believes that the increase in average export and local selling prices will also affect the increase in comprehensive net income.
Yeah, you are absolutely right, Miss.
Yes, I completely agree.
As a financial manager, there is something you want to add, Tiara?
Okay. I just want to add a little about the profit and loss ratio that I have previously said that the main factor in the increase in net income is sales. However, the expenses incurred by the company also greatly affect net income. The expenses incurred by the company in 2019 have been very maximal in minimizing their expenses, so that in 2019 we managed to get a profit of 1,260,273,000, which means that we succeed in increasing our profit by 246,370,000. This is a number that is large enough for our profit to rise over the past few years.
Yes, in my opinion, this is a great achievement. With the cooperation of the entire team in this company, we can make significant improvement.
Yes, I couldn't agree more.
Yes, you are absolutely right.
I completely agree.
Okay, the conclusion from the presentation of the meeting is the Star Company has a better performance in 2019 compared to 2018. This is indicated by the increase in liquidity ratio and solvency ratio in 2019. But ratio have a significant effect on the company profitability. With this, the company profit in 2019 will also increase.
Yes,
Yes,
Chairman.
Chairman.
Yes, Chairman.
Overall, give appreciation for the result of this company performance and give applause for Putri and Tiara who has made the presentation. Thank you for the presentation. Good job Putri and Tiara.
Okay, Chairman, you are welcome.
Okay, Chairman, you are welcome.
Okay, that's enough meeting today. Thank you so much for coming. Me as the chairman apologize if there are mistakes. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
You're welcome.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.